Contact with Visegrad Relay was lost last night. All signals flatlined at 2600 hours. I responded with trooper fire teams, which have since been declared MIA.
And now you're sending us.
The Office of Naval Intelligence believes deployment of a Spartan team is a gross misallocation of valuable resources. I disagree.
Commander.
So that's our new number 6.
Cat, you read his file?
Only the parts that weren't covered in black ink.
Anyone claim responsibility, sir?
Oni thinks it might be the local insurrection. 5 months ago, they pulled a similar job on Harmony. Hit a relay to take out our eyes and ears, then stole 2 freighters from dry dock. That cannot happen here. Reach is too damn important. I want that relay back online, Noble One.
Sir, consider it done.
Then I'll see you on the other side. Holland out.
Lieutenant.
Commander, sir.
I'm Carter, Noble Team's leader. That's Kat, Noble 2, Emil and George 4 and 5. You're riding with me, Noble 6. Not gonna lie to you, Lieutenant. You're stepping into some shoes the rest of the squad would rather leave unfilled. Me, I'm just happy to have Noble back up to full strength. Just one thing, I've seen your file, even the parts the Oni sensors didn't want me to. I'm glad to have your skill set. But we're a team. That lone wolf stuff stays behind. Clear?
Got it, sir. Welcome to Reach.
Listen up, Noble Team. We're looking at a downed relay outpost 50 clicks from Visegrad. We're gonna introduce ourselves to whoever took it out, and then Kat's gonna get it back online.
Get me under the hood, Commander.
Sir, why would rebels want to cut off Reach from the rest of the colonies?
You got a chance, maybe you can ask him, George.
Commander, we just lost our signals at HQ.
Backup channels?
Searching. Nada. Can't say what's jamming us.
You heard her, dead zone confirmed. Command will not be keeping us company this trip.
I'm lonely already.
Shoot-down attempts are likely, so keep your distance.
Yes, sir.
Let's stay focused. Watch your sectors.
There's the communications outpost.
Reading a distress beacon.
Could be the missing trooper. Let's check it out. Put us down on the bluff. June, I want your eyes on the sky.
Sir.
Let's go, 6. All right, Noble Team, spread out. Watch the approach.
Distress beacon's coming from just south of you, Commander. We're close.
Roger that. Eyes peeled.
Structure point 3-4.
Looks clear from this angle. Found the beacon.
Make out any ID?
Negative, but it's military.
So where are the troopers?
Why are we not seeing explosives residue?
Noble 3, can you confirm any EX residue in the area?
Negative, sir.
Plasma, maybe.
Can't be. Not on reach.
There's a lot of blood on the ground.
All right, Noble. Looks like there's nothing here. Let's move on. Stand down, Noble 6.
Smoke at the next structure, boss.
Circle west and check it out. Noble team, you have permission to engage, but be selective.
We don't need to telegraph her presence.
Noble 6.
Move into the house. Go in quiet. I'm right behind you.
Noble leader, I'm seeing heat sigs in the structure ahead.
On your knees, now!
They're not rebels. They're farmers. Look at them.
Ask them what they're doing here.
Mitkerestikit.
McNamar min handling.
Hiding, sir.
Tegnab Adjem, Asomsidot Isha Jordadyat. She called us.
Neighbors were attacked last night. He heard screams. Gunfire. Stopped around sunrise. Says something in the fields killed his son.
Something.
Commander, be advised, I'm reading heat signatures in that structure directly east of your position. Over.
Copy that. Get them back inside.
Osman Tom Bepoli. Getting?
Noble team, double time it. Damn.
Fill me in, Commander. What are you seeing? Over.
We've got military casualties, 2 of the missing troopers. Looks like they were interrogated. It's messy.
What's your motion trackers? What the hell is that?
June, see anything?
Negative. Thermal's clean. Boss, I see movement outside your structure.
Noble 2, move up to the west. We're about to be flanked.
Huh? Damn it! Covenant!
Contact! Contact! Spartans, assist!
Here we go.
Tango's nearby.
They're headed into the basement. Move down to the lower level.
Banshees, heads up, Charlie 1.
Engaging.
Banshee overhead!
I'm under fire!
Lost contact.
Noble leader, enemy dropships inbound.
Falcon, moving to assist.
The more you sin, the more I get to kill.
down, Noble. Stand down. Contacts neutralized.
Contacts? It's the damn Covenant.
Cheer up, big man. This whole valley just turned into a free fire zone.
Cat, we gotta warn Holland. I need you at that relay outpost now.
Put him down.
More tangos. I'm under fire.
Contacts? It's the damn Covenant.
Cheer up, big man. This whole valley just turned into a free fire zone.
Hostiles nearby.
Target's quiet.
I lost contact.
Taking rounds.
Commander, I'm seeing more hostile activity to the northeast.
Camille, you're with Cat. Six and I will run interference on the ground. We'll meet you at the outpost.
Noble 3, requesting airlift. Over.
Get to work, Noble.
Get off my planet!
Covering fire.
I'm just getting warmed up.
Contact.
Press fire.
Noble leader, I'm seeing heat sigs in the structure ahead.
Enemy fire!
There are hostiles near.
Keep it up.
Noble leader, I'm seeing heat sigs in the structure ahead.
Need a better angle. Taking rounds.
Looks like we're clear, Lieutenant. Let's stay sharp.
Boss, I'm showing more activity to the east. Advise you check it out.
Roger, we're en route.
New targets acquired.
They got me. Ah! Love the enthusiasm, Six, but let's try to keep it on the
Boss,
ground.
we're picking up a distress signal.
Mayday, 3 Charlie 6. Does anyone read? You were attacked by Covenant forces. The Covenant is en reach. I repeat, the Covenant is en reach.
Noble 3, we've located the trooper squad. Request immediate evac. My coordinates.
Solid copy, Commander. Recalling Falcon Charlie 2. Hold that evac position. Noble leader, be advised. I have visual on inbound Covenant dropships.
Evac transport, keep your distance. 6, hold position. Clear an LZ.
Spartans. Corporal Travis, sir. 3 Charlie. It's the Covenant.
We know, Corporal. Let's get you out of here.
Dropship inbound. Be advised, we got hostile dropship inbound. Going hot.
Careful. Transport. LZ is clear. Move in for evac.
Affirmative. Transport inbound.
Noble 2, sit rep.
We're at the relay outpost. Door's locked. Mechanism's been flash fused.
Can you beat it?
I dial up my torch, cut the way through. Gonna take some time.
Okay. We're en route to your location. I've got visual.
Cover fire! Taking round!
Approaching the comm outpost.
Drop us in the courtyard.
LZ's a little hot, sir.
Put her down, pilot. 6, breaks open.
I'm pinned down here! How we doing, Cat?
Taking a little longer than I hoped, Commander. I've cut about halfway through the door.
Contact! Hold them off so Cat can hack the control. You're flying into my bad guy! Engaging. If I see one more dead civilian, you bastards! Taking enemy fire!
friendly.
So, excuse me.
Roger that. I'm clear. Number 6, search that button.
Where's the rest of your unit?
We got split. I don't think they... It sounded bad on the comms.
All right, Corporal. Stay put. We'll get you a combat surgeon.
Damn. Plasma damage.
Found something.
I'll take that, 6. Not your domain.
I got a live one over here. Come on. Archie, come.
Menjan inen! Nie! Hadon bek!
It's all right. We're not gonna hurt you.
Jori, nie!
George.
I got her. Keep still, and I'll release you.
Meg. Eat Vanak.
What's the status? Over!
We've been engaged! Bad guy coming out!
That Tango group has permission to pursue.
-4, stay on the entrance. 2, handle her. 5 and 6, clear the hole.
There's more. Flush them out. Direct hit!
need you to reset a junction. Do it, get back here.
How long?
Question of my life. If the question is when we can be back online, 2 weeks, earliest. This is plasma damage. All major uplink components are fried.
2 minutes is too long.
Which is why I'm splicing into the main overland bundle to get you a direct line to Colonel Holland. You're in my light, Commander.
Find out what she knows.
What's your name? Do you live around here? Arnevim George.
Shada.
Shada. Se potrozumit. Your accent sounds familiar. Shapron?
Tangar.
Friend of yours?
Father.
Sha'ainalom.
Why would you be?
Big man forgets what he is sometimes.
She just lost her father. She needs a full psychiatric workup.
She's not the only one.
Lock it down, both of you. Get her on her feet. The body stays here.
Thank you, sir.
Signal. It's patchy, but it's there.
I'll take it.
Let's not touch anything. Lace.
Barely getting you. What's your situation? Over?
Colonel, this is Noble One. There are no rebels. The Covenant are on Reach. Acknowledge?
Come again, Noble One. Did you say Covenant?
Affirmative. It's the winter contingency.
May God help us all.
Advised Kilo 3-3 and Kilo 3-4. Current LZ is too hot. Roger that. Dot, stand by and receive and respond.
Yes, Commander. Coordinates received. Initiate immediate course correction. The Office of Naval Intelligence Base is presently under siege from a Corvette-class Covenant vessel. Due to the sensitive nature of this facility, use of orbital rounds has been, for the moment, prohibited. Regrettably, my efforts to obtain relevant data on enemy forces have been unsuccessful. However, current defensive forces are insufficient. ONI has requested Team Noble's direct intervention to help secure Sword Base.
All right, people. We're stuck with that ship at the time being. Let's focus on the hostile infantry. Give those troopers a hand. Cat 6, you're out here. George, Emil, you're next. Get prepped.
Let's move, Lieutenant.